Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home and doing well and doing practice of the numericals and other things and reading the chapters also. So you know that we are doing chapter light. So before starting the next topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Last video I have explained you about the refraction topic and we have also done in that laws of refraction. Let us recall for that laws of refraction. Laws of refraction we have done. What were these two laws we have done? The incident ray, the refracted ray. We have taken two mediums, air and glass. You can take two different medium, water also. The ray comes and it bend towards the normal. So this was angle I and this was angle R. This we have done and this is normal N or N dash. What was this ray? Incident ray. And what is this ray? It is refracted ray. Because medium changes, that's why. This is the original ray. But instead of going here, it bent towards the normal. So what were the two laws? The incident ray, refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same place for a given pair of media and for a given color. Clear? For a given pair of media and a given color. So this was the first law, and what was the second law? The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media and for a given color. So this we have done in the previous video also, and I have given you some example, like when we will put in a glass, transparent glass, we put a lemon and we put it in water, then it appears to be bigger in size than pencil example when it appears. So today we will do the ray diagrams of that examples. Clear? So first of all we will do the ray diagram, why the pencil appears, or any stick which is immersed into the water partly, it appears to be bent. So first of all we will make a basin, and in that basin we will show the water. Clear? Here we are showing it. So, and in this we are showing the water. Clear? And here, now we will immerse the stick or pencil inside it. This is the stick. Clear? And this is the basin, or this is water. But what actually when we see here from this side, when air, what is here? Air. And what is this medium? Water. So it have a boundary, interface media, means it have a contact boundary between water and air. So from this space, this point you can consider like B, and this point you can consider like this O. So from this point B, the pencil or the stick appears to be bent to us. Like it appears to us in this position. Instead of this position, it appears to us, like I am deleting this water one here, so that you can understand, like this. So instead of appearing this, the pencil appears like this position. Let us take this as I. So why this happened? This happened due to refraction phenomena. Let us see now ray diagram. So from the O point, rays will go from here. Clear? Let us take two rays first. So as you know that, and another ray goes here. So as you know that the rays are coming from which medium? From denser medium to rarer medium. Clear? Because we know that air have the speed of light is maximum in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 is power 8 meter per second, and in another medium, even in air also, it is slightly less than that. So when a ray of light comes from O point to the observer I, then what would happen? It enters from denser to rarer medium. So its speed increases. So it bends away from the normal. Both the rays will go away from the normal to the observer who is here. Clear? This go away from the normal. So when we produce it back, dotted, because observer will see as a straight line. So when you will see it like this. So instead of O position, it is appearing at a I position. So when you will take extent of all the points, so this pencil appears like this or stick appears like a bend position. Clear? I am showing you here separately, like this is the stick. Clear? This is original stick, but as the contact is there, it appears like this. So why it happens? Because of the two medium. And how it happens? So what you will show, like two rays are going from here, they will bend away from the normal. From these 2 points we will draw away, and from here also away. So when you will produce it at back, they appear to come from, instead of O position, they appear to come from I position. That only I have shown in the diagram. So this appears like this. Clear? So this is the ray diagram. If someone asks, because this question used to come in the paper, why a pencil or a stick immersed in water partly, that it appears to be bent at the interface of two media. So this is due to refraction of light, and that this diagram you can explain. Now let us do the another example. The second example, the pool. Pool appears less deeper than they actually are. So for that, let us consider a pool we are showing here. Clear? And this is its base. Clear? Let us take, this is P, Q or O position. And here is the observer. Clear? So what happened? And let's say this here is the water filled here. Clear? So what happened when the rays will enter here like this or like this? They go out again from water to air. They go from water to air. So at this point, let us take this point is A and this point is B. So this is contact media. So what would happen? Again draw the normal. So observer will see according to these 2 points. So they diverges out away from the normal. And when you observer is on this side observing from with his eye, he is watching this pool. But when you produce it back, this ray also produce it back, so this becomes I. So let us take this level. Let us take this level which appears to us. Instead of, let us take, this is P dash, I and Q dash. So instead of this O position, observer is observing, this is called real depth, or this is called apparent depth. What does it mean? This example is given in your NCERT also, that the pool appears less deeper than actually it is. So how can you show? With the help of this diagram you can show that whenever observer is observing, the rays comes from O point to the observer, so they bends away from the normal, because ray enter from water to air, denser medium to rarer medium, so away from the normal. When observer will see according to this, so he will see the rays, the depth is at I position, that is image of the pool. So because of this, instead of real depth, observer is able to see this apparent depth of the water. Therefore, like this things are there. One more example is given in NCERT, that is a coin kept in a basin. So that example is also given. Let us show that also. So you have understood with the help of ray diagram. Now I am going to show you the last one example which is given in your book NCERT activity. So that activity you can do, like a basin is there or a bowl is there. In this bowl, coin is kept. Okay, and nothing is filled, and observer is here. And but from this position, when the rays are going, it is not visible to the observer. To the observer, this coin is not visible. Clear? This coin is at the base only in a bowl. But when water is filled in the same level, so I am showing you here only the same level. When water is filled in the, you can say that bowl or a basin or anything, you can take it. Let us take a basin here. So this coin is here. So but when water is filled, what happen? Observer is here only. didn't change his position. So what happened when rays goes from this position, like this position to this position? So what happened, this observer, they again go from, let me show you that, so that I can show you the observer correctly. Here the rays will go like this, so it is here, so it away, it is also here, so it goes away. So here is the observer. Okay, here is the observer. So when observer will see now, so he will see according to this point. Parallel, these are going from, they are bending away from the normal, but when he will produce it back, so is the coin appears to be raised. This is the original position of the coin, or this is the image of the coin. So observer will see according to this optics phenomena that light travels in a straight line. It appears that to the observer, it appears that the light is coming from I. This image is from I, not from O. So after filling water, it appears like that. So it happens due to refraction phenomena. Clear? So when there is no water, observer is not able to see the coin from the same position, but when water is filled in the, so coin appears to be raised and in bigger size. So this is all happened due to refraction of light. For today you do practice for the ray diagrams of these all activity, and tomorrow we will do the next class about the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.